Experience more with the Dometic TRT120E Rooftop tent, featuring such highlights as remote control setup, spacious interiors, well-ventilated doors and windows, and plenty of storage options. Protected by a durable, water-resistant PVC tent cover, it can handle just about anything that's thrown at it. The TRT120E features a 12-volt operation, which means you can set up in a matter of minutes and explore more. The double-layered windows allow for plenty of airflow and ventilation throughout the tent. Despite its robust construction, it's lightweight thanks to the aluminium frame. The TRT120E also includes a 5cm high-density foam mattress so you can comfortably sleep 2 people. Setting up the TRT120E is simple. Lift the rooftop tent onto the roof racks with the help of another person. To secure the rooftop tent to the roof racks, simply slide the bolts into the rails so that there is one on each side of the roof rack. Then fix the washer, U-bolt plate, and nut to the bolt. Do the same for all 4 corners. To set up the rooftop tent, remove the PVC cover and the ladder. Plug the 12-volt power cable into a battery source. Press the up button on the remote for the rooftop tent to set up. Store the 12-volt power cable in the dedicated cable pocket. At the canopy, locate the front pole and attach it to the front support frame. If you need to perform manual override during the setup, you can find the spare poles at the back of the rooftop tent. Using a hex key, remove the motor and motorized push rods on both sides. Replace the motorized push rods with the spare poles and push the tent into position. Packing down the TRT120E rooftop tent is as easy as setting it up. Take the power cable out of the dedicated cable pocket beside the door and plug the 12-volt power cable into a battery source. Press the down button on the remote to allow the rooftop tent to pack down. Unclip and place the ladder on top of the rooftop tent. Then simply place the PVC cover over the rooftop tent. You'll be able to feel at home even in the great outdoors, thanks to the Dometic TRT120E Rooftop tent.